Hello, YouTube family. This is Al. Welcome back to the channel, and I hope everyone's doing well. Now, I'm a third-generation caregiver. My family owns both an assisted living business and family care home here in the state of North Carolina, and I'm a licensed North Carolina assisted living administrator. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 7 ways to market your assisted living business, family care home, or residential care business. It's all about building relationships with both public and private healthcare agencies who also serve seniors in your community. I get referrals all the time from the agencies that I'm about to share with you in this video. So you know how we do. Let's share the screen and let's go. So again, this video is going to be on 7 ways to market your residential care businesses. Step 1, network with your adult care specialist or social worker at your local county Department of Social Services for referrals. They often get inquiries from individuals in the community who need housing. Also, they help place residents who have been displaced from facilities that have been forced to close by the North Carolina Department of Human Services. Step 2, network with social workers at your local hospitals, VA hospitals, and psych hospitals for referrals. Hospitals refer potential residents all the time because they may have a resident or patient who was admitted to the hospital who may be homeless or may have a home that is not safe for them to go back to. Also, hospitals admit residents from other facilities who refuse to take back the resident due to many reasons like behavioral problems, wandering, etc. Step 3, network with fellow administrators, social workers, and admission coordinators at local nursing homes, assisted living facilities, and family care homes for referrals. Many facilities will refer residents to you for many reasons. They may not have any available beds at their facility, or they may have a resident who is not a great fit for their community, or a resident who has requested to live elsewhere. Step 4, network with owners of local in-home care agencies for referrals. In-home care agencies can refer residents to your facility who can no longer live independently in their home due to physical and mental health limitations. Step 5, network with owners of group homes. Also, many group homes refer residents because they may not have any available beds at their group home, or they have a resident who is not a great fit for their community, or a resident who has requested to live elsewhere. Step 6, network with owners of women and homeless shelters for referrals. Here you can find individuals needing transitional housing. And step 7, network with privately held senior care referral services. For example, a place for mom. Here are several ways to market your residential care businesses. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Again, this is Al. Until the next video, you take care, and I will talk to you soon.